right? It's a free mailing platform that you can scale. I like when people start with the free tools and trials that have near full functionality to prove it out. And we put a 91-day roadmap to this. So these are all the things that somebody's going to do within 91 days. I always say 91 days because A, it can account for leap year, and B, start tomorrow. Just enjoy today. Be excited about today, but tomorrow is when the work starts, which I think is a more realistic approach than start now. No, start tomorrow. Start tomorrow. Right? Get a good night's sleep about this. Good. So they're going to get the foundations. They're going to get their autoresponder. They're going to get their domain. They're going to spin up some social media accounts if they don't already have it, and then start with the branding and content. Build that list. Build that audience. Build that tribe.
Yeah.
Right. Because after day 91, everybody, we all know how funnels work, right? Everybody who's up here, hopefully they're down there, and you'll have some immediate sales. We show you how to do that. And then scaling usually comes down to reinvesting initial profits into an ad framework that we use.
Good. I like it.